Hello students, welcome to Diploma Electrical Knowledge. Today we will learn about the Proteus design software. This is an electronics design automation software where we can make a design of different electronic circuit and verification and control the circuit with observation result. So first of all, we can make a circuit for speed control of DC motor with forward and reverse operation using Arduino Uno. At first, we use Arduino Uno, which is nothing but a microcontroller unit. And next one is DC motor controller, digital display, on and off switch, and different circuit connector. The DC motor circuit is looking like a hardware model, but as we know, this is made by Proteus design tools, which is nothing but a software tools. After taking all the components, we connect it as per circuit design rules. That means connect the DC motor to the motor controller output, and input is connected to the Arduino Uno pin. And also connect the all switches and digital display component. The digital display component which is show the result of a DC motor. That means clockwise or anti-clockwise direction of a DC motor, speed value, etc. After connecting the all component, we check first if it wrong or right connection. After checking, press the on switch to start the DC motor and smoothly vary the speed of a DC motor by motor controller unit, and also using two different switch which is used for forward and reverse rotation of a motor. So you can see that the blue circuit on the left side, this is a such type of circuit what we usually called microcontroller circuit or Arduino Uno, and also what you see on the right side that we usually call the DC motor. And this DC motor is connected to this microcontroller circuit, and microcontroller circuit which is connected to the DC motor and other system to control the system automatically. And the top of the screen that you usually see, there is digital display which is show the speed value of a DC motor and also show the anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. And also we can make a different electronic circuit which is made by Proteus design software and check it and verify, and we can also take a observation result. To get this type of video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that the video reaches you first, and share it to your friends so that this video helps to everyone. Thank you.